Biriyabi komanya seka ngo kwanira kirangi ekyo boyiko kire chichi brand ao ekyo kire chingi yakerage kirangi chiga niko kire chibirengo ao nabondo mbabwata kirangi cyo gwakwa imeye nyumba iziko ye nyumba kire chikomentrani bwa amavuta yani oil na bwigo kiriya chia mache inyoranga kirangi chiga niko kire kurwase kire cheri guririke irya gatigati wekari guri lyabantabati bwigo imeya uru super stores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo gwochoganya kirangi wikabunuraganye gwochoganire erangiriga aseduke yigaya uru super stores nabo kwege namuna ekale aho watagete ni gukwaye nyora bwikirano tutarire rero eliwe nyorere abamanyi naboigo enekenga enyumba yao use asomenya use kire biasara njibwa tokorelekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite kirangi cha crown paints eduke yigaya uru superstores yego tokase enyumba ya uru complex imeyumucyuyigo musongo iyorange neduka ya Safaricom mwigo ngo tukabari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyure ange nebengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simbwe trase chinamba chabo 0111161500 Uru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Aha. Kwa hiyo umeamua kuumwaga mchele kwenye kuku wengi. Mbona mimi na yako siyasemi? Mwanaume gani wewe? Kutwa kujilizaliza. Sehemu ya kulia mimi, unalia wewe. Ukirudi nyumbani, unalala tu. Haujali mwenzako nimekula, nimeshiba au nina njaa. Au niwaambie watu kama mchezaji majeruhi. Kwa mwezi unacheza mara moja tu. Niache!
Dada, maneno unayamwaga hayo.
Niache. Wewe umeamua kuyamwaga. Kuanzia leo, watu wote na
Wairevya naende mwancho murigerire wa Getembe TV niko chiatigaire usiatigaire taike ya mochirage Chinsa Ikomi mwancho murigerire kene Ekeonga asenchirayo wenga kurogeta seniki ya Getembe jengoro wakati Nyaboga Vanessa Nyaboga kuraso muna wa imanyerero Kevin Ongere kuri studio yakane arakwaneka bana TV chechi na waiga Mario Gingo wikira chira asenchira yewe karano kabana intuwika omwero na togo chaka ya matejo mugaka Henry Nyabuto kurwa ekenyorkia gesoni baliba ward ya bogeka ebunge ya kitutu chache South nigo county ya Kisii nigo ya barira asara magi asara nene magaye kerenko semara yo mobero manene gwateka na gusamba enyomba yabo eyo bamenyete homo msewe ward ya bogeka umoske Richmond banani nigo aikirana ansense meyo na korangire ekiombe getenete mibasukono ase serikali ya county ya Kisii na gokonya kolimia omuriro y'umutindi konye obere kogotora inse enebe nyingi imbasi ya Mateo sase familia yako sase nyombeyo
inche yonkoro kwa Henry Nyabuto burura aigambo wana muchono yone chare nganga chisenyene nusu chamambi kwenye sibili na rure bedroom ngoro atrimo krio janze site kwenye tarano ne Ikomi kinde siku ngana kwa ati ngokendagera na go musigari wana kuruga itoko ndangere onte bio murro yo kurwe bedroom kurwe se Quebec ko gesa ta senyomba na chikomnyogo che staircase na nyorerio girio morori kurukuru no wa gutiro chiro na ira go jesko ngo soka isko na nyore kebo gistima kurumuno gari kubunga tar kwa kabisa.
Nilikuwa nimefika kwa geti hapa kidogo, naona sidi imetokea hapa kwa kepo, kwa sababu kepo ilianza kutoa sauti. Kuangalia kidogo nikapata kepo imesaka kucha na moto chini, bado moto imepaki juu. Nikamuita bosi wangu, nikapata ndiye amefika hapo kwa mlango yake hapo, ngamwambia njoo angalie moto hapa. Katika harakati hizo tukajaribu tuone kama tunaweza panda juu ya stairs ili tukaweza kama tunaweza tukasema moto, lakini moto ilikuwa imesika zaidi mpaka
we are getting in touch na bandu ba Kenya Power wache be establish a problem na ya because mwako yusiriye bintu bire bingi beddings cyangwa yere nyumba chonse keninge yakonya please ne biroko bibiyare nge downstairs abiya konya bye bintu bire ose bintu bire nyumba hakuna kitu iko ona na so korara maybe ara je saba sigari na ara jara because kera mama na moro chari kera manke.
Muriko ito dipona sanya na ikirana asensemeyo mwancho murigere roboti oru nagendete gukwariganiria achigo komanyia bena ibere na boigo inyecho botuko bwarero togoska bosio abanyanyimbo nigo babeka biara omukagiro yomo bobonia bwenyasore asio yoma minchuria na gochia bichuko ase kenyero kianya kobalia erocation ya Nyabururu ewodi ya Kitutu Central ebungi ya Kitutu cha South county ya Kisii mambeye ritkuria ya rero magega yokobeka biara ebifurusi gwetani chimisato byenyasore asabono barurege kurege tindi gochia sabanto balia bakoro bonchuria bunobwo na kuleira yogochia gokora obonya byobotindi elikwana kyabuna ngosira bare amaliogo yogotinda na boigo ebinyugwa bitanjeiri.
Our officers received information about drugs which had been stored in a residential place, a private residential house within Nyamatari. The officers went ahead and laid trap, and in the course of their duty, they intercepted, just next to the house, they intercepted one motorcycle rider that was coming out of the residential house that information they had gotten into. So, stopping it and interrogating the rider, he was found to be in possession of the cannabis sativa that the officers had received information about. So, according to the arrested rider, he led them to the same house where more cannabis sativa was stored in. According to preliminary investigation that we have conducted, we found that the house is specifically used for storage and the supply of cannabis sativa. Inside the house, the officers found cannabis sativa stored in carrier bags, about 10 carrier bags. In our investigation, we found that the total brooms that we found out of the stored carrier bags were about 361 brooms. We have so far conducting investigations, and we have arrested the suspect, and we have other accomplices who may have been involved with the business alongside with him, and out of our investigation we'll be able to present the arrested person to court.
Mutinenere omukuru bw'inyagitari enene ya KTRH Enoch Ondari oyibo igore neganga yokuria obugavana bwe county ya Kisii asaba chori bore bosio ritskore rero niga amochiri obutinene bwe kemerige chae anene mono company ya KTDA ase ebona senge iyo abarimi parachi konyora gukona asomoyega bwebiro sikona asebirero bya matanga ensemo ya tukia mwana wodi ya Nyacheki ebunge obase county ya Kisii niga amochiri abarayibonsi ase ogotarwanira umuremi bwechae anemono korwa orogongorwa gusi asaboyigo airari bagelio na konia agenda yumo skema tiangi bosibo bochori bo mwaka 2027 asaboyigo abori abagusi wesokia sobonge na kubwata chikura
chikura chegorero bono n'abantu ngo register bari onye nkonye kubwate kura wango gusaba ogende ko register chikoise kuna continuous registration anye tubwati nale kwenda kwa register eko yaraba gusi twakorerwe cyo cyamatuka mangi abandi bacha kurune kaseito batanga ntuise ni namba nyitura abantu go 600,000 naba gusi nogenda bakanonye garisa no bakorteki no bale aba gusi tubwate chikura cheta inoti milioni 2 lakini sasa yetere kutatuba chikura na kitoko ndo majese kabirayo ongo basaba twese tubwate kura nande gagiye kura gereka kiri mu ndasoke ate kura kuna abantu bali bamulima bagosoka baka none ni muntu karwali nyagitari oretora ake kura umya kugenda kurwali nyagitari na litora asipwe kuna abagusi ntubwate mu muri tuko Dr. Fredo Kengo Matianyi yasoki abande banjire ngo bwate story nditora mutire ko runga induka ndoko monogoro mugoje tomomoro nente nente kurako ambe goroga aria tonyoro ndubwate umumura ninde togotare ekabanya charenge umumura w'ikinguru Kenyaga bikwara kwenda gusinyiro bwate banganje no mugusi kwenda kuhure mirango nga uyinya chaye abaite ko tubutegasi niko tukatwara umuntu itegoroga aria ibatakonye echaye ya gusi nebwate shida echaye no ya tokimwe una nchene kinde munyagitari nero ya kana ofisi ya ne bakangasomo yekarongo raba gusiba itwakoro echene chaye na wonko yiboro sana mube kena ine emotion mo discuss amani echaye ili mmeska le dochigoro tumanya echaye ya gusi eri gwanza kuna ya wetero musekale ngao nki ali bakero 50 shillings
Morai weke magia DCP Moskere Gashagwa niga atebire osenigo atebire eriko bwachikora guikaba na siasa baso ebinyoro bakwanena abananchi ukono babasorero kero arubura barwanire bebirogo asibunge ya magarini inseki makia ya DCP Gashagwa niga ateba nagendere gukora ebikaro asa mochire abamwabo abagokora emesangirekano ase mabagani na batali huikera abakenya bonsi.
We are his greatest obstacle. Yeah? And every Kenyan knows that one party that is truly one term is DCP. Isn't it? So don't worry about these intimidations. We continue to do meetings. This afternoon I'll be in Bisil in Kajiado Central. Monday will be in Kitui. The other week will be everywhere. Getting elected as president is about political mobilization. Many people may want to spend a lot of time in hotels and boardrooms discussing theories. I am a very experienced politician who have delivered 2 presidents to this country. And I know how to make a president. There is no president you will make in a boardroom. Presidents are made in the field. Sindio? So, sisi ni watu ya mashinani. And you must go and mobilize people and inspire them. And you must have content. People must remember what you say 1 month down the line. That is how you become a president. So sisi tuko hapo na tunasukuma ground, and I want to encourage all of you, mukitoka hapa murudi kwa ground. There are 5 options on how you get elected as an MCA, MP, senator, governor, or president. Option number 1, ground. Option number 2, ground. Option number 3, ground. Option number 4, ground. Option number 5, ground. There is no other formula. Unajua mimi naona watu wako na mastori mingi. Ati unafikiri ukiweka picha ya mtu ate kwa social media he can be president. Ati unaweka picha the 6th. That cannot make you president. You must go out there and mobilize numbers. And you must inspire the people of Kenya. If they admire you.
Totigarete asenseme ya siasa nene mono kurigiriria ebyama umuna chebi no monene mukuru Muske David Maraga ni gasoire asekia makerekia United Green Movement UGM erio gochia kuriga ekirigo kyobora ibwense asobo chorio bonene buri bosi obo mwaka 2027 nabo igo korurukia ebendera yekiamekyo kokwana asomojega oyonigo atianete gochia gotorio ensi ya Kenya onye kago chia gochoro buna umura ibwense asebo igatebete amachiko na Maraga yekiamekyo nigo akogenda no kugania kwaye ikiriretere gosoa asekiamekyo.
Delighted to belong here. Indeed, since I declared my intent to run for presidency, most Kenyans have been asking me, which is your party? And I've been telling them I'm looking for one. It has not been an easy job, some people might think, to get a party that is aligned to your ideology, that espouses the values that you do. If elected president of this country, I have committed to reset, restore, and rebuild Kenya. I have committed to restore Utu and the dignity of the Kenyan people, a spirit not only prominent in the United Green Movement Party constitution, but also alive among the few members and delegates of the party that I have interacted with.
When you pronounced your campaign ideology and campaign of philosophy as Ukatiba, as Greens, we knew our search for the political leader, our presidential flag bearer, had arrived. That we had actually arrived at the destination that we had anticipated. The United Green Movement Party is aware and alive to what you have done in the country to implement the constitution, these values that we believe in. It is not lost to all and sundry that in 2017 you nullified the presidential election because it was not done in accordance with the rule of
Mokonyi bumore bwense Professor Pramukisire Kindiki nigo aboliri abantu basoe ime serikali ya Kenya Kwanza eryo banyore amagenderero kokwana imambia rero koro ibungi ya Kankema egotoka county ya Muranga chinga kicho morobere empowerment Kindiki niga aboliri abarayibate ko emurungania nari bagari yaye bakorere abakenya magendo buna babarirete chira chinga kibari kuriga chikura.
Jukumu ya kiongozi ambaye amechaguliwa sio kulalamika. Ati mwananchi akilalamika hata kiongozi analalamika. Hapana. Shughuli ya kiongozi ni kusikiza malalamiko ya wananchi, alafu anatumia ile nguvu mmempatia ya kura kwenda kule Nairobi kusukuma maendeleo yenu, ndio maendeleo ipatikane hapa Kangema. That is the work of a leader. Kazi ya kiongozi sio kulalamika. Kazi ya kiongozi ni kutafuta suluhu ya shida ya wananchi. Sio ati mwananchi akilalamika, kiongozi analalamika. Hapana. Akisikia hakuna barabara, anaenda kutafuta. Hakuna stima, anaenda kutafuta. Hakuna maji, anaenda kutafuta. Masoko hajajengwa, anaenda kutafuta. Mimi nawashukuru viongozi hawa wetu. Wamefanya kazi ya bidii kutafutia watu wa Murang'a maendeleo. Hatuwezi kukubali ati tudanganywe. Wakati maeneo mengine yanapata maendeleo, sisi tuende huko msituni kupiga kelele. Hapana. Hii ni serikali yetu. Lazima itujengee barabara, lazima itujengee masoko, lazima itupatie stima, lazima itupatie maji. Hii ni serikali yetu, hatutoki, tunang'ang'ana pale mpaka mwisho, mpaka siku ingine ile tutaenda kutafuta serikali ingine. Ndio kana
Chaptukire itaika Ikomi na isano igoro ye Chinsa Ikomi chiabono morogoba mwanche murigereria na rayo kure Ekeonga Chinsa Ikomi asenchira yobwenge nchengoro wakati Nyaboga Vanessa Nyaboga kroso muna wimanyiririo Kevin Ngeri kure studio ya kabiri nero koneka buna chibichechi namba lyo gingo ikirachira asenchira ere yowe kirano taro burige borobya tomirana rietskure ankyo.
Superstores nero eduka asorgo ngurigarua South Nyanza yanchere amone company ya mabati Rolling Mills ilikuya bwatuka uchiase abaonia aiga ntobwate showroom asura achagwirigirie amabati enda umsialia utagete showroom yeto nigo ere engale iyuerengia na boigo ekogokiriso yao chingaki ogoswasa kurigiriria amabati yiga ntobwate team Tembo abo bagokora imirimo ase showroom yiga babwate chingoro chingiye cyugo kwarigania na boigo cyo tebererie kindi gensi uraganie bagotebererie company ya mabati Rolling Mills niko babwate amabati chingenjo ao ayuare ye chikala ao na boigo ayuiga bwate chi profile net gauges ao bunabono babwate normal corrugated na boigo box corrugated asibigo babwate Dumarang ayuari ayechi gauge emerongetato asama mabati alia ayechi gauge emerongibire na isaro na isato mbabwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile gross na boigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago chana Roman Jinko na boigo web design babwate ligani kabwate chikala bunabone lia chako gray brick red tile red maroon sky blue na boigo na green ubutambe bwe mabati yiga niko bokolengana amo nukanya gwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi boigo ebyo ochikonyara kabo gutumika chinga cyo gwakeranya mabati yiga ase nyumba yao tutari rero ase Uhuru MRM showroom onyare kabo gukwerera amabati yo akomenya segeka ayo uchanye warrant na boigo ayo urakoberwa ikasure asubwango eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yegotoka se nyumba ya Uhuru Complex imiyo chigo busongo iyo erangene duka Safaricom boigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyo ere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwe trase namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Amone